I think I am someone who really likes essay, like my power is love. I throw love around. I guess it's taken me a while. It's been a decision over 4 to 5 years that finally, I think my parents have something to do with it because my mom's such a huge fan. And this year she was like, just do it. Let's just see how it is. Also, maybe I want to go on a path of self discovery. I've been around a layer of protection of my family, of my friends. I'm very like close knit to them. So let's see how I do in a world full of almost strangers who I will maybe, be friends with, and without my phone. Never been without my phone for more than, I don't know, a couple of hours if I'm working. I don't think anyone is ever ready for that, to be honest. But I guess I'm going in with this thing of I want to be kya, I only know how to be real. So that's what I'm gonna do. If I'm feeling anger, I will express it. But I'm also trying to. I think I am someone who really likes essay, like my power is love. I throw love around. So I guess I'm preparing myself ki itna aise so much love I'm gonna take that when someone's fighting, I'm just gonna be like, pyar, pyar, pyar. And hopefully fight stops. I don't know, because I've always thought, like my name, I'm a very unique person. Because what people expect out of me when they see my videos or when they see this Nagin or this Shola character, and I'm very different from that in reality. And I like when people figure that out and when they say that, oh my god, whatever. And I always have something to say. So I guess I bring lots of talks and entertainment to the table because I never stop talking. I never stop cracking jokes. And I guess this whole real goofiness, if there is someone else as goofy and as real and, this sort of energy in the house, I will be happy because I'll get a sathi. If not, then I'll make up for it. I usually end up becoming one of the boys. So I feel like everyone who's thinking, oh, Akasa ki love story banegi kisi, I feel like they are going to be disappointed because they'll be like, ye to ladkon ke saath घुल मिल की लड़का ही बन गई है. So you never know what's going to happen in there. I could not wrap my head around it. I did not know him personally, but we all fell in love with him when we watched him on the show. And my mom and I for the longest time was like, no, it has to be a rumor. It has to be a rumor because I don't know, he was the kind of person that you immediately felt some sort of connect with. And I'm sure he's making people up there happy as well. But it was a huge shock. And it just made me realize that I really need to value everything around me way more because literally you do not know what's going to happen tomorrow. So I guess it just made me feel like I should stop taking things for granted and be more grateful and thankful for everything that I have. I would just like to say that my little family of fans, that we are all besties, that I have, they know that it's I'm going into the house. And now more than ever, I need your support. It's a very cliche thing to say, but I actually do. I need you to send me virtual love. वैसे अंदर करके मुझे मिल जाएगा. And whenever you all miss my stories that I post, because I'll be on screen. I just want you all to send me hugs. And instead of the hugs, you can just send me votes and tell everyone. And don't fight with anyone. Just, be happy, be nice, be loving, and keep voting. And force everyone to vote for me.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.